Hey guys, I have some exciting news. So they picked up our Afinia 3D printers, and they meaning PEF, and they're sending all the Afinias over to John Muir High School because they're going to begin to 3D print PPEs, and PPEs are personal protective equipment such as masks or visors, which is really cool. So they've begun this process of taking the 3D printers, figuring out ways that they can use the technology to help those on the front line. So I'm going to show you some designs that I found on Thingiverse. These aren't the actual designs that they're printing. I'm not really sure exactly what they're going to do. I plan on following up with them and seeing how I can help, which is really, really exciting. So if you check out what I'm showing you right here, this is actually a face shield. So it's a little visor for a face shield. We can print out both of these pieces and use it um, to make, let me show you guys this right here. So this can easily be made. We can go ahead and print something like this so that we can protect the nurses and those on the front line, and make them a face shield. Now this design here, and this is really cool, this is a visor for a face shield. This is something that has been 3D printed, and that is being put in use for those that potentially could use it. So if you look at the design here, this is the visor, and here's the picture of the gentleman. Excuse me, he's wearing a protective mask, but the 3D visor allows him to have that extra protection, that added protection to keep safe and to keep people from spreading the coronavirus. So pretty cool stuff. So our Afinias are doing good work on the front line, and they're helping to limit the spread of coronavirus, to help protect the nurses and the doctors and anyone else that feels that they need that added protection because of the line of work that they're in. The assignment that you're going to be given this week is going to be related to that, and I know some of you guys might have a lot of different ideas on what you could potentially do. But here's what I was thinking: personal protective equipment, something that you could potentially design that can help people stay protected against the coronavirus. So I'm thinking a mask, shield, a visor, something that could potentially be used to help people keep from getting coronavirus and keep people protected. These folks are doing the really important work on the front line, so we want to help them stay protected by utilizing the 3D printers to help solve a problem. And I think it would be really cool if you guys can come up with some ideas. So I'm going to post more info on the Power School page. Hope you guys are doing well. See ya.